Hi, hello, welcome to my video again. So today I'm gonna explain you about my job done today. It's my working today is to making the airbag system for my shopper. So they have the air suspension in the back, so I need to design. So this is my bike. As you can see, it's two wheel and swing arm here, and it's whatever. And I have the airbag here. So I need to find some place. I put the solenoid here, and I put the air tank is here, and the air pump is here. So kind of cool, right? And then to draw the system, let's go from here. I have the air shock suspension and hose to the Y connector. So the Y connector is like this, right? And then one is a solenoid, while let's just go here, and this one will be release, and this is one of solenoid valve, which is S1, S2. So it's more like electronic diagram. It's like that. So it's when you switch, it can be go up. It means you pump the air in. And when you switch it down, this one on, this is release, and then the pump is air out, right? Simple. And then you go from this one, because you need to have the air, and then you have to go from the air supply or the air tank. So it is a motorcycle. I make the my motorcycle is built in the air pump. It's same like you have in your machine shop, you know. And so I have the air pump, and then I make my own the air manifold, and then you have the pressure gauge, and then this is another hose here to get to the what they call that. This is a air pump. So they pump the air in. So this here have to be, they call a check valve, or the one-way valve, right? And this is have connection to the tank. And the tank is I use is from the oil, engine oil reservoir tanks in the regular bike, the engine bike, but this is an electric bike, so I don't need that one. So I plug it up, and I have the pressure gauge, and this is the air out, release air, which I simulation for you later on. And I'm not installing to my bike yet, because if I install, I cannot show you on the video. And then I have to have the safety feature, which is on the way. This is I call the safety valve. When the pressure above that you are setting, whatever you want, 60 or whatever, they have a screw, right? And you have more than that, you can set up to cut off on off the automatic pump. You can have another switch, which is I not sure. I'm gonna put that one because it's too small, but let's see. I already ordered. So every pipe is 1/4 inch I use, and this OD is about 8 millimeter. There's a spec I use, and I make my own manifold. So you have to drill and make the like this. So let's see the pump. This is more important because this section we'll go to see in the bike later on. Since the pump is already here, and let's show you the pump. How cool is that? This is that's what I said. This is oil. This is oil cap. So this is you can use, or you can buy this, not that expensive. I think it's about 1,000 baht somewhere. It's just like what, $15, $20, yeah, $25, something like that. So I make my own this one, the aluminum bar for the air manifold. So I drill this one over one hole, but I might move this one to the back. Tomorrow I build it, and this is just to show you release. And this is a way in from the pump, which is, I said, this is a one-way valve, right? This is a check valve, one-way valve. I mean, same like you pump the air to your tire, we have the small little plug-in valve, and this is a safety pressure gauge. I ordered from China, but this is the old one, so but still work. You know, the needle still good, so why not just test it? And then this is a release, just in case I show you the air came out. Yeah. So let's see. I'll power plug the regular air, and you will see the pressure rise up. So I use the pump from here, so because I don't have the pump is already installed in the bike, and you can see is the pressure is going up, right? I was testing only about 40, 45, just in case, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be, I haven't do a pressure test for this tank. This is aluminum tank. It's pretty good, better than PVC. I don't use PVC, it's very dangerous. So we test only 45 is good enough, because the air for the tank is not need to have that high for my airbag system. So I unplug this one, and then I turn off this one. Oh, hear the noise. And then this is a way you can have your you know, what I call it, a pressure tank, the air tank, or whatever you want. For not only my bike, you can use this one for any application like airbrush or something like that. This is where the air came out, you know. And I'm gonna show you the air came out, and have to have something that push the air. See, I'll show you this one, and you can see it. See, not bad, huh? So it means the air is already stored in here, and whatever is the pressure is show is that tank is full. I got no way to measure in the liquid form, something like that. But so this is one. The air tank is done. So let's take a look at the bike. So the air tank gonna be around here. I'm put the air tank and right here, and the gauge right here. And then we put the wire, the air to inlet valve here. This is the solenoid valve number 1 to get to the wire connection. Since this solenoid is off, it means it blocks the air. So they go to the right here, the air suspension to rise up. So when you switch this one on, the other one is on the release valve. So they just leave it on that one for nothing. So let's go this way. You can see this is the wire connection, and you go to here, and then right, simple, right? It's not that hard because you only have one cylinder. And if you want more complicated, or your front have cylinder, you can tap one of this, or you can have 2 more solenoid valve. Solenoid valve is only 190 baht. It's just like what, $6? Yeah, about that, $6. So that's it, man. This is my bike, and we'll be complete with the air suspension, right? So okay, Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you later. Have a nice day.